Come on, Curls. Let's go, bye-bye. Get in the truck. Come on, come on, come on. All right, good morning, everybody. We're starting today off similar to how yesterday started off. Except for I'm sick. And I don't really know how this happened, but I am definitely sick. And I'm trying to back up out of my mom's driveway. So like I was saying, today started out the same way. Going to get coffee for Raven, except for they gave me way too many coffees on accident. So I've got 4 coffees now. And I'm sick. But I'm going back to park today. But for stuff for myself, we're gonna load up the trailer and go to a drift event tomorrow at Spirit Peaks Raceway. My friend Nick is gonna come and I'm gonna put his car in my trailer. Oh, that was sketch. And Daniel's coming and Raven's coming, the baby's coming. It's gonna be a sick ass day. So, we're gonna down these coffees and head to the track. All right, so we made it to park and the only disadvantage to working in a space like this, in a place like Oregon, is that it is going to get wet. So good thing we're not working on BMWs today. What we are doing is getting that trailer ready to have 2 cars in it to go to Spirit Peaks tomorrow. So, Daniel, TJ Anal.
DJ Anal.
Let's do this.
DJ Anal.
Can you strap this to your chest?
Yeah, dude.
I have duct tape. Don't worry, I get it now.
POV? What does POV mean? That's what I always thought when I was a youngster.
POV. Poverty?
I lucked out. My dad had a subscription to and I found it on the desktop one day. And I fucking clicked on it. And then I got on there and I was on the internet for like 5 hours. And my mom walked in and she goes, "Wayne, I fucking told you about that damn site." My dad got in hella trouble.
I'm sick, so I don't want to get too close to you. Oh, dude, if we could just POV what just happened.
Dude, you're good. Don't worry. I'll get sick. I got your back. For the sake of the video.
For the sake of the vlog. We're taking vlogging to a whole new level.
Dude. POV action.
Alright, there you go. We're good. Just leave recording all day.
Alright.
I just stepped in this mud. Can I see that?
This is scary, dude. If I drop your camera, I'm not responsible.
Duct tape's strong.
My gut's stronger.
Let me take a picture. Hold on, I'm not ready yet.
I don't care. I was born ready.
No, I'm not ready.
I hate my life.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right.
Alright, so we're starting to get it pretty clean in here. Second car just showed up. That's Nick's car. Dude, you are jacked.
Oh, jacked.
What'd you do? What kind of injections are you doing?
You a cop?
No, maybe. Stop, dude.
You're going tomorrow?
Yeah, Daniel's coming. He said it's not the size.
That's how you use it.
That's right.
Not very good at that either.
This shit is sick. Real fake snakeskin?
No, eh? New boot gooping. Genuine awesome.
Yeah. We're gonna trade cars for the day or what?
For life.
For life?
No. That's good, right? You gotta do that side first, hold on.
No, dude, I got it.
Dude, you don't. There you go.
Real fake carbon?
Real fake. Whoa! Fucking buff guy.
Sick.
She's dirty.
Gallo 12 or Gallo 24?
I got it. Great.
Oh, there goes the intercooler.
You're good.
Okay, send it.
Send it, bruh.
Rest in peace, Paul Walker.
Yeah, we might have to go forward a little bit more. It's okay though.
Dude, it's sick in here.
First Skyline ever in my trailer.
Where'd you go? Get the plate, bro. Who did that?
Who painted this bitch?
Oh, it was black already.
Oh.
But Cody painted like my flares.
I'll take it.
Alright.
Tell the dead battery joke. Dude, I thought it was funny, man.
Knock knock.
What's that?
I'm trying to think about killing myself later.
Alright. Yeah, what did you
Something on my shoe?
Yeah. You stepped in shit.
Yeah, was there something on my shoe?
Oh, dude. Sorry, I couldn't get past your tricep. Other wheel. Huge. Wait a minute, going.
Yeah, if you weren't so scrimpy.
Oh, scrappy.
I'm sick, man.
Men doing men things.
I'm probably just not gonna strap your car on the way back.
Dude, come on, watch the paint. You okay, dude? You know this guy?
Right now.
Dude, let's just throw that brick under there. We should be good.
You staying out in
Alright, 2 cars once again. How many more 2-car trips can my truck handle? This one's a short trip though. Short trip. It took longer than I expected, but we got mine and Nick's cars loaded up, ready for the track tomorrow. We still have to mount our tires, which I'm going to do that in the morning at Chelsea's house with Reese. But Nick's car is really cool. And when he first got it, I had low expectations for how sick it ended up being. He was never really a car guy. And then he just fucking killed it with that Skyline. So, got all the tires back there, tires and wheels. Baby.
Got the baby.
Baby. And we're gonna grab some food. Oh yeah, shit. And
No, I'm not here. It doesn't matter. I don't matter. You guys don't even like me.
Hey, let me know if, leave a comment if you think that we should vlog strictly with the camera duct taped to Daniel's torso.
POV.
POV, yeah.
I mean, it
POV
is an
crimping.
expensive setup, but it's something they would do for you guys.
Costs
Yeah.
about 8 cents in duct tape every time we do
Duct
it.
tape's expensive, the brand name, duct tape. If you get the good stuff.
That's true.
Can't skimp on your POV action.
Oh,
Got
so
the pattern, so.
hopefully you guys enjoyed a short video, but I want to share with Nick's car with you today before it gets destroyed tomorrow, this first track day. I'm gonna try and help him a little bit getting around the track so he has as much fun as possible. I'm gonna give him some of my scrub tires so that he can try and get as much track time as possible. So, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Peace.